Hello. In this tutorial, I would like to show you how to create slopped roof with a window. First, let's adjust the wall height of the room. Now, let's hide the ceiling. We can step into interior modeling mode now. With Rectangle tool, draw a rectangle across the room. Split the rectangle in half. Pick the Guidelines tool and create vertical guideline at the midpoint of a rectangle. Now we can lift the roof to any height we need. Create guidelines starting from the edge of the roof to the edge of the external walls. Now draw a roof shape using Line tool. Remove the original rectangle. Use Extrude tool to extrude our roof shape across entire room. Now use guidelines to make window shape on the roof. Draw a window using Line tool. Extrude this shape into inner plane of the roof. Create horizontal guideline at the quarter of outer hole. Create vertical guideline for the lower part of the hole. Move the edges of the inner hole to intersect with our guidelines. Now we have a hole, let's fill the outer part of it. Make an offset. Pick the inner square and group it. This will make the window a separate element. Double-click to enter into the window. Make an offset to create a window frame. Remove the inner square. Extrude the frame to make it thicker. Pick a texture of your choice and apply it to the window. We need to create a triangular shape of the missing wall. Pick Line tool and draw the wall. At the end, just remove the ceiling plane which was created when we made a triangular wall. The roof is complete. Thank you for watching.